Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi bas nyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri Rengbak Jela, Conrad ki Sangma, hak spautrek kelalengkot arjar absan, kentaj wat ya ka jingkeno, ba ke sorkar Jela ke don jingtemu ban penkelano ya ka Meghalaya Land Transfer Act da ke bawanra ya ka Investment Meghalaya Agency. Hak je keren bakilat patai khubor. Hadien balawa ke jialang kenhun menteri kabalalong hak sinong sora Conrad ki Sangma Pynshai ba ke Investment Meghalaya Agency ka deitang ka agency jong ka sorkar kabalong thik kum ka MIDC ne ka Meecl ki badai ki bortre kam jong ka sorkar. Conrad ongru baling ba ka IMA ki kenhun ne kinu ki bakwa ban sengkam sengjam hak jala kila ban pan jaka na ka benta ban sengkum ya ki jaka puli ki hospital bat kiwe bat benrap susu da ka baong ba ka kamram jong ka Investment Meghalaya Agency kalong ban thiet ya ka jaka bat IT pat seginong sengkam ki bawan syaga jala.
The entire issue that is being brought in is completely incorrect. There is no question of any amendment to the Land Transfer Act. There is no question of IMA that is Invest Meghalaya Agency, trying to bypass any authority, agency or the district councils or anybody or the Rambashnams. There is no question, as I said, of land being bought directly by the private investors. This is all incorrect and absolutely incorrect information. IMA is a government of Meghalaya's Invest Meghalaya Agency. It is like MTDC, like an MIDC, like Meecl. It is another authority of the government of Meghalaya. It is also the body where individuals will apply for permissions now to start their companies and also to get the necessary subsidies that the center and the state is providing. Earlier there used to be the single window agency, but single window agency was more industries oriented. Today we have investments in health, we have investments in power, we have investments in tourism, we have investments in education. So therefore, for an education institute, should he go to education department for permissions or should he go to the industries department permissions? For a medical, somebody who wants to start a hospital, should he go to health department for permissions? Should he go to the single window agency for permissions? Because of this kind of complexity, we decided to come up with the IMA, which is all encompassing. All departments are part of this, and it's a one-stop shop and a single portal where the investor can apply and the necessary permissions are given through this IMA, which then approaches the different departments, approaches the different agencies for the necessary permission. So therefore, it's nothing but a platform to allow people to come to one location, but the process of permissions to be given by the agencies stands as is where is. That means that the permission required from district council has to be taken, must be taken, and there's no change in that. It is just channelizing the entire system through IMA. Now, when IMA is giving these permissions, then IMA also is an authority where individuals will say, well, we want to set up a factory. We need 1 acre of land, 2 acre of land. Sometimes MIDC will have it, sometimes they may not have it. So therefore, the decision what we took was that like MIDC, like MTDC, like DRDA, government agencies which can buy land and then further lease it out for investments, IMA also should be allowed to purchase land and create a land bank to then further lease out to investors. So it's as simple as that. So therefore, it is completely wrong to say that the amendment of the Land Transfer Act will be done. Let me categorically clarify to everybody, it is absolutely incorrect. There is no amendment to the Land Transfer Act. There is no question of bypassing the district councils. There is no question of private sector coming in and buying land directly. None of these procedures have been amended. Nothing has been done. Nothing will be done from day one, in fact. From day one, the only amendment we made was we are allowing IMA to also buy land and create a land pool like MIDC has and like MTDC has, because this is the agency that is going to promote the investments. I know, contrary to what certain agencies, press agencies have been saying, that we backtrack. We did not backtrack. The facts that you presented in the beginning were wrong. So we only clarified that your facts were wrong. And from day one, we've been very clear that there is no question of these 3 points. I repeat again, no question of any amendment to the Land Transfer Act. There's no question of bypassing any agency, including the district councils and any other agencies through which we need to take permissions, including the local community, the Rangbashnongs, all the other headmen. Whatever permission required has to be taken, as it was in the beginning. And number 3, the private agencies coming in and buying land directly is not at all there in the provision. So I just want to clarify that. But if there are any further concerns by anybody or by any agency or any district council or organizations, we'll be happy to talk, we'll be happy to address those issues, discuss with you, clarify it. And if there are certain points that need more thought process to be done, we're happy to look into it.